I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas next.
What is the deal, y'all? What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another goddamn banger video, man. But look, first of all, if you ever seen Friday, that's Smokey is back there taking a piss over there. Funny as hell. But I feel like I haven't spoke to in a minute, even though it's only been a few days. But in a matter of a few days, my car is clean, completely clean. My car is completely clean. Still was looking good, man. Shout out to Wheels of Carbon once again. And of course, per usual, I need gas. So for all the people that has been telling me, how come you never fill your tank up? Well, today I'm not gonna fill up again. Only cause my theory is, and I'm not the only one that does this, because I know the homie Rail, shout out to Rail, he does this too. Because it makes sense, like if you fill your tank up and then hypothetically somebody steals your car, on a full tank, that car can go far. So if you don't fill your tank up, they can't go far. If somebody was to steal your car, they cannot go far. So that is why I do not fill my tank up, man. So that, yeah. But right now I'm about to get gas, as you see at my gas station. Only go put in $30. I could go fill up. I got a thing right here. It's full of cash. I could go fill up. That's what's calling me. My brother's calling me. Is the tint film they have, is this ceramic tint?
Yeah, ceramic tint.
I mean, that's good pricing. If it's ceramic tint, that's a good price. Ceramic tint is the best tint. Me, I have everything. My what do you call it thing? My sunroof is tinted. The back and then the side windows is tinted. Oh yeah, besides the windshield, not tinted. But yeah, I have everything tinted besides the windshield now. Regular tint is cool, but from Tony at Reflection, so he told me that for like, if you get ceramic tint, it's better for Bluetooth. You won't lose like the connectivity and stuff like that. All right, y'all. 91 ohm. Gas in downtown LA right now is 509, so it's not that bad for downtown LA. But while I put $30 in here, this week has been long with this car. So if you don't know, I have I'm gonna show you. I have, well, I need to go push it back, but I have two powerful subs in my car. So I have a ghetto rig because the trunk button keeps on like hanging out. So yeah, I have a ghetto rig with that. What else happened this week? Oh, another thing happened this week. This tire blew on the freeway this week, so I had to get another new tire because I realized I have slight camber on the inside, so my tread wear on the inside of the tire is more. But yeah, because I do need alignment, so I might end up going to Sacco's and getting alignment. Other than that, oh yeah, another thing, I lost my front plate on the freeway, smashing with the bins. I lost it, so I need to get a new front plate. I'm thinking of taking this part out because I'm supposed to be getting my car wrapped at ACD pretty soon. I think, oh shit, next week I'm supposed to be dropping off to get wrapped, but don't know. But in the meantime, yeah, that's pretty much all that has been happening. Oh, by the way, oh yeah, another thing, man. I'm telling you, look, so a lot of things has been going wrong this week. So I lost a pair of Gucci shades. I lost a pair of Prada shades. So I bought some cheap shades from like Santa Monica, and then guess what happened? it broke. Shade somehow broke, so I ain't throw these away. But yeah, man, it just definitely has been a long ass week for me and this car, man. But again, God is good. Can't really hold on. I take a photo Instagram real quick because I keep forgetting to do that. By the way, I never post live, so I post like if I'm like somewhere, I'm pretty much long gone by then. So by the time I post this, obviously I'm leaving the gas station. Duh. Yeah, that thing look good right here. Definitely looks way better without the front plate on it. But yeah, I'm about to get out of here. Don't know where I'm gonna go, but I am in downtown, and I miss downtown a lot. So I don't gonna lie, because I have 2 or 3 homies that live in downtown. So now, whenever I be with them or be around them, I'll go to the crib and it make me miss downtown, man, because everything stay open in downtown. Not gonna tell y'all where I live at now, but just know everything closed at like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Who keeps calling me? And yeah, I don't eat until like 1 in the morning, so I'm always having to eat fast food if I'm not eating snacks or cookies and shit. So yeah, I'm really thinking to move back to downtown because I miss it. I miss the vibes of people. It's not a crackhead still. But man, all that I don't miss is drivers, but there's a lot of non-drivers in the world anyway. But tell me downtown I miss downtown so bad. Changed my exhaust back and everything. Yeah, there's a lot of happening this week, man. I feel bad for not having y'all caught up to speed with everything, man. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. And as soon as I fucking pull out, there's a cop right over there. I'm gonna get on this freeway over here so I don't have to go back that way and he has a chance to follow me, because I have no front plate right now and I'm not about to go deal with it at all. Now he doesn't even care, so I'm about to go straight and show y'all downtown, man. I'm not gonna lie, I think I want to move back to downtown LA. I'm really debating it because I gotta move already, because I'm telling you, time has been flying. I gotta move pretty soon, so I'm gonna fucking have to move, and I don't know where I'm gonna move to. I'm thinking Long Beach, Lakewood, or somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, my first choice is like downtown Long Beach or like Lakewood. But damn, that's how you know I ain't been in downtown so long. They building. What the fuck is this? What is this? Is that the? Oh, this is the thing that was next to Circa they was building. Last I've been here, this thing was not even built. Damn, good to have a certain roof. Damn, that's fancy. Shoot. A lot done changed over here. Let me go visit my LA peoples real quick. Damn, this is hard. Then they added the fucking Chase sign, and that's not even Staples anymore. This is the Crypto.com Center. Damn, the crypto arena, man. Ain't that some shit? But yeah, I'm down. Oh, they added an actual Chase right there. I'm sorry, lady. Look at the bocce bus. Oh, I gotta see the homies out here. The homie Frank, he works, not this truck, but he works at his family owns a Benny Honda truck. And y'all know when I was out here in downtown LA living, I used to eat that Benny Honda truck every day, man, for the frisky. So shout out to him, man. But yeah, man, I'm missing downtown LA. I really am missing downtown LA. I think I gotta get a thumbnail, so I gotta find the spot to park this car and get a thumbnail, man. But how y'all been doing? What have y'all been up to? I think I'm gonna go to the dealer right now. It's in Santa Monica to go look at the C63. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do actually. Yeah, because I'm supposed to look at a C63. I'm looking at a Super right now, so obviously you guys know I've been in the middle of due process with a Super for the past, well, yeah, since the past like 2 videos, man. Man, Circus changed, man. Circus a whole new thing over here. I ain't gonna lie. But when I was living downtown, it was like prime time COVID. And look, there's this yellow Super right over there. That's where you can't see because it's car here, but there's this yellow Super right over there. It's a sign, y'all. It's a sign. But yeah, I'm definitely about to go to the dealer and go look at the C63 because I won the years I'm looking at is 2018, but I also wanted a 2014, 2015 C63. So that's where I'm about to go right now. They have one. They have I think it's black. That Super is nice. I also thought about it, the Kia Stinger, the GT1. It has like 385. But I do want to be it though. My dream car is C63 2014, 15, or the 2018 model year. So, man, yeah, I think I'm gonna start looking at apartments, or not apartments. I'm gonna start looking at townhomes in downtown LA. But yeah, I'm about to go to the dealer in Santa Ana. Check out the C63, man. But yeah, in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram, SwayMedia_. If you have not already, just go ahead and do that, man. Go ahead and do that. I can't see it, but this dealership right here on the left, they be having they can't see it, but right there. So the dealership, it's a Mitsubishi dealership, but they be having like 5 Trackhawks. Yeah, that dealership right there. They be having like 5 Trackhawks, fucking. This damn biker about to get smacked. Anyways, fuck. It's my fault though, but yeah, that dealership be having like Trackhawks there, like modified Jeep Wranglers there. They have everything, man. I'm about to stop by there, but I guarantee you they don't have a Super or a Benz. I know the Trackhawk. Yeah, but that's all I'm gonna tell you before I pass it up. That dealership you have heat over there, so no free promo. But if you are looking for definitely Trackhawk, go there, man. It's right next to Citadel Mall. We are pulling up in about 35 seconds. So yeah, you guys already know what that means, man. If you watch YouTubers, you know what that means. Obviously, I mean, I could put everything in one video, but the way life is looking, we all got bills to pay. So I go on this side. I could trade this car in and get an SI though. That's what I could do. Not gonna lie though. He's going this way, so yeah. Oh yeah, we pulled them right now. They have Raptors. They got a whole lot of shit, man. We gonna check and see what they got here. I'll catch y'all in a minute.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my head and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family questioning my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Text me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.